the last award for Mr. Mission Dreams 2022. I want everybody to stand, please. सारे audience में जो कोई है खड़े हो जाए और तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट से congratulate करें. And let's clap it for contestant number 36, Mr. Mission Dreams. Woo! Congratulations. And with this, the beautiful pageant of Mission Dreams 2022 comes to an end. Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, Priya, for making me a part of this. Right. And with this, this is your host and those anchor Madhumita signing off. आप सभी का शुक्रिया.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.